Welcome back, my dear students. Today we are going to explore the amazing world of birds, Class Aves. Birds are the only living animals with feathers, and they are rule the sky with their light bodies, wings, and beaks. Long ago, birds evolved from feathered reptiles like Archaeopteryx and developed special features for flight, warm-blooded life, and unique behaviors. In today's class, we will learn about the general characteristics of birds, the classification up to subclasses. So get ready to discover how these feathered creatures became the masters of the sky. Ornithology is the study of birds. Ornithologist means the zoologist that study of birds. Dr. Selim Ali is called as the birdman of India. Pterylosis is the arrangement and distribution of wings on bird's body. Oology is the study of eggs. Nidology is the study of bird's nest, and phenology is the study of birds' migration. This is the image showing Columba livia, common rock pigeon. The external features, we can see this image: the head, eye, Siri. This is a swollen portion just above the beak. There are nostrils on the beak, the breast, scales on legs, clawed anterior toes, hind toe or hallux. Anterior toe is called as leg. This is legs, tail feathers, wing feathers, black birds, wing covers, contoured feathers. This is neck and the position of external ear opening. General characteristics features of aves: birds are warm-blooded, feather covered, two-legged animals. They can keep their body temperature constant, that is homeothermos. Their front limbs are turned into wings. Most birds can fly, but some like ostrich cannot. There are about 9,000 species of birds in total throughout the world. Their back legs are adapted for different activities. Birds' hind limbs help them perch, walk, hop, or swim. Most birds have 4 toes, but some have 3. Only a few species have only 2. Birds have almost no skin glands. The only skin gland in the bird's body is the uropygial gland, also called the preen or oil gland, at the base of the tail. This gland is missing in birds like the ostrich and parrot. Birds have beaks instead of teeth. The upper and lower jaws form a toothless beak which is shaped for different ways of eating. Beaks can crush seeds, scoop fruits, tear flesh, sip nectar, chisel wood, and more. Their legs suit different ways of living. Birds' legs are built for walking, hopping, grasping, perching, wading, or swimming. Their legs have hard, scaly skin for protection. Birds have a special digestive system. They have a crop which stores and softens the food, and a gizzard which grinds and crushes the food. They pass waste through a cloaca. Some birds that eat seeds, like pigeons, do not have a gallbladder. Birds breathe through lungs with extra help from air sacs. Birds have spongy, inelastic lungs. They also have air sacs connected to their lungs which help them breathe better. Unlike humans, their larynx does not make sounds. Instead, birds produce sound using a special organ called the syrinx. Birds have a strong four-chambered heart. Their heart has 4 chambers just like mammals. They do not have a sinus venosus, and their renal portal system, which carries blood from the kidneys, is very small. Their red blood cells are oval, biconvex, and have a nucleus. Birds remove waste through the cloaca. Birds have a metanephric kidneys that remove waste, mainly uric acid, through tubes called ureter, which open into the cloaca. Birds usually do not have a urinary bladder, but one bird, the Rhea americana, also called the South American ostrich, it does. A bird's brain has a well-developed brain. It is advanced than that of reptiles. Parts like cerebrum, cerebellum, and optic lobes are large and well-developed. Birds have 12 pairs of cranial nerves. These nerves connect the brain to different parts of the head and neck. Birds see very well but usually smell poorly. Birds have excellent eyesight but a weak sense of smell, except the kiwi, which has a good sense of smell. A special structure called the pecten is found inside their eyes. Birds have ear openings, and each ear has 3 parts: the outer, middle, and inner ear. Birds have light but strong bones. A bird's skeleton is fully bony or ossified. Their long bones are hollow with air spaces, pneumatic, to make their body lighter for flight. Birds do not have a bone marrow inside these bones. Their skull has only one occipital condyle, the joint with the spine. The sternum or breastbone has a keel, a special ridge for attaching strong flight muscles. Female birds have only one working ovary. Usually a female bird has just the left ovary and the oviduct, which are well developed If the right side is present, it is small and does not work. It is vestigial in nature. Birds lay egg and often look different by sex. Many bird species show sexual dimorphism, meaning males and females look different. All birds are oviparous or egg laying. Like reptiles, they lay hard cells or cladoic, large yolk, macroleucithal eggs. The developing embryo has four membranes: chorion, amnion, allantois, and yolk sac. Birds have interesting social behavior. They show courtship display. Birds nest, care for their young ones, migrate long distances, and guard their territory. Now we will study classification of aves according to J. Young's book The Life of Vertebrates 1981. Class Aves is divided into two subclasses. Subclass 1 Archaeopteryx means ancient birds. They have key features. These birds are extinct and lived during the Jurassic period. They had a long lizard-like tail with two rows of feathers on the sides. Their wings had three clawed fingers with separate wrist or carpal and hand or metacarpal bones. They had teeth, about 13 pairs of cone-shaped teeth in the upper jaw and 3 pairs in the lower jaw. Their breastbone or sternum was flat and did not have a keel. Their shoulder girdle have simple coracoids, a distinct T-shaped interclavicle, and a narrow curved scapula. Example: Archaeopteryx lithographica or Archaeopteryx siemensii. Subclass Neornithis or modern birds. The key features include: this group includes both fossil or extinct and living birds. They have a short tail ending in a pygostyle, a bone that supports tail feathers. Feathers are arranged in a semicircle around it. Most modern birds have toothless beaks. They have well developed wings and their four-limbed fingers usually do not have claws. Their backbone has heterocellulose vertebra, saddle shaped for flexibility. The sternum is strong and has a keel or carina for flight muscles. The wrist and hand bones, carpals and metacarpals, are fused into carpometacarpals for strong wings. They usually have 13 or fewer tail vertebra. The ribs have uncinate processes, small backward projections for added strength. The digits of the leg usually have claws. Struthio, this is the example of ostrich. Aptenodytes penguin, Ardea grey heron, Alcido kingfisher, Anas duck, Columba pigeon, Sitacula parrot, Gallus fowl or hen or cock, Tito or Tito is the barned owl, Bubo is the great horned owl, Phoenicopterus flamingo, Aquila eagle, Neophron vulture, Milvus kite, Pavo peacock, Corvus crow, Passer domesticus is the scientific name of house sparrow. So this is the colorful collage showing a variety of modern or Neornithis bird species in different natural settings. It highlights the diversity in bird shape, size, plumage, colors and behaviors, from small songbirds and swallow to waders like flamingos and water birds in action. Such an image perfectly represents the rich biodiversity of Class Aves and can be used to show students the wide range of adaptations and habitats that birds can occupy. So what did we learn today? Birds are warm-blooded, feathered vertebrates with wings, beaks and hollow bones for flight. They breathe through lungs with air sacs, lay hard-shelled eggs and show nesting, courtship and migration. They also show how they are classified into ancient birds, Archaeopteryx and modern birds and Neornithis. If this quick lesson helped you, like, share and subscribe for more simple classes. Stay curious, keep revising and keep learning. See you in the next class. Thank you.